Since year 2001, Aligarh College of Engineering and Technology has no looking back. Year after year, the institution is producing thousands of professionally trained students, fostering a significant development of entire society. Encompassing 10 acres of lush green land, the institution attempts to provide salubrious and a pollution-free environment. For more than a decade, Aligarh College of Engineering and Technology is best known for providing quality education in the fields of engineering and technology, computer applications, management, and pharmacy. Recording a consistently progressive growth in academics, the college still eyes for more striking performances in years to come.
Our aim is to provide the best quality education by developing their technical skills.
Along with bachelor degree in pharmacy, we also offer bachelor degree in engineering, in computer science and information technology, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, mechanical, civil and agriculture. ACET also offers MBA, MCA courses along with BBA and BC.
Most of our faculty members are having an experience of 8 or 9 years, even more than that. And they are actively involved in teaching, training, research, consultancy, and many more.
Considering the growing needs of domain knowledge and advanced academic skills in corporate sector, ACET empowers the students with quality book bank and other additional reference books with the best availability. Library at ACET registers more than 35,000 books of foreign and Indian authors, and it is duly supported with online database management system containing records of books on and off the shelves. With an special focus on the constant need of professionalism, ACET has a dedicated cell for the personality development of the students all throughout the year. It incorporates the latest modern methods and styles of motivating and training students. ACET records an enchanting figure of more than 7,500 alumni base. Many of them are currently working at a respectable position in industry. Students every year outperform to secure an award-winning position in convocation ceremony at university.
All these activities are regularly performed in the college to improve the performance and as well as the participation of the students in the college.
ACET students are fully geared up to utilize every second of their invaluable time. Extracurricular activities such as Education Fest, annual cultural event and various sports activities at regular intervals provide students a high level of booster and energy flow. Annual magazine, The Futurist is more than a proof to showcase the cutting-edge capabilities, skills and energy level of the students.
ACET, life is quite different. It gets a new meanings. It gets a new shape. It gets many equations. And we get to know who we are.
Aligarh College of Engineering and Technology welcomes all engineering aspirants aiming success in their career.